Hi, Pete Cawker here. I'm a volunteer with the Ontario Regimental Tank Museum, and today we're standing in front of one of our new additions, a Mk10 Chieftain, directly from the UK. It did 2 tours with the Berlin Brigade, hence the crazy colored paint scheme, was retrofitted from a Mk6 into a Mk10, and we got it just this year, and we're really excited to have it. And one of the big things with it is it's in really good shape mechanically. However, the paint, as you can see, is quite a bit worse for wear. So our first order of business is to strip down all the paint and get rid of all the rust, and the idea is we have to repaint it. So a lot of elbow work is going to be involved, maybe some sandblasting, and we'll just see how it goes. We're not too sure what it's going to take to get all the paint off. Follow us on tankmuseum.ca, and we hope to see you soon.